Dear children, now let us continue with the 7th lesson, religious and social reforms in India. So today let us discuss about reform movements among the Muslims. Reform movements among the Muslims. So here, movements for socio-religious reforms among the Muslims emerged late. Most Muslims feared that Western education would endanger their religion as it was un-Islamic in character. During the first half of the 19th century, only a handful of Muslims had accepted English education. The Mohammedan Literary Society, established by Nawab Abdul Latif in 1863, was one of the earliest institutions that attempted to spread modern education. Here Abdul Latif also tried to remove social abuses and promote Hindu-Muslim unity. So here, in this reform among the Muslims is here, the Muslims people, they were feared. Why they were feared? Means they were feared about the education of the English education. So, means why they were feared about the English education? Means their English education would have given the Western culture and all. అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ వాళ్ళు నేర్చుకుంటే దాంట్లో వాళ్ళు పిల్లలందరూ వెస్టర్న్ కల్చర్ అవన్నీ ఫాలో అవుతారు. అప్పుడు మన ఇస్లాంకి దాని విరుద్ధం అన్నట్ల. మీన్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అగెయిన్స్ట్ ద ఇస్లామిక్. It is against to the Islamic. Then the character and everything will be changed. Means here most of the Muslims, they were feared to take the English education. Most of the Muslims. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఉన్న చాలా ముస్లిమ్స్ పీపుల్స్ వాళ్ళు చాలా ఫియర్, చాలా భయపడే వాళ్ళు అనమాట. ఇక్కడ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్లో చదివియాలన్నా కూడా వాళ్ళకు చాలా భయం ఉండేదన్నమాట. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ ముస్లిమ్స్ అనేది వాళ్ళ ఇస్లామిక్ సాంప్రదాయాన్ని యాడ వాళ్ళు మర్చిపోతారేమో అనేది అలాగా వాళ్ళు భావించేవాళ్ళు. బట్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ముస్లిమ్స్ దే కేమ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు టేక్ ద ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్, బట్ సమ్ of the Muslims they were feared to take the English education. Here, during the first half of the 19th century, only a handful of Muslims had accepted English education. That is, in 19th century లో అప్పుడు ముస్లిమ్స్లో half of the Muslims, సగం ముస్లిం పీపుల్స్, half of the Muslim peoples, they accepted the English education, but remaining half, they did not accepted the English education. They did not accepted the English education because they were feeling that, అంటే వాళ్ళు భావించేవాళ్ళు అనమాట, they were feeling that it is against the Islamic. Now the Muhammad Literary Society, established by Nawab Abdullah Latif in 1863, was one of the earliest institutions that attempted to spread modern education. Here, even in the Muslims only, they attempted a modern education. It was done by, listen here, Mohammedan Literary Society వాళ్ళు ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేశారన్నమాట. ఇట్ వాస్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ బై Mohammedan Literary Society. That is by who established it? It was established by Nawab Abdul Latif in the year 1863. Now Abdullah Latif also tried to remove social abuses and promote Hindu-Muslim unity. See here, Abdullah, they tried to remove, see here, whatever the social abuses are there. ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ హిందూ ముస్లిమ్స్ అంటే మీరు ముస్లిమ్స్, మేము హిందూస్ అన్నట్లు అక్కడ ఏదో కొంచెం ఫీలింగ్స్ అనేది కొన్ని ఉంటాయి కదా, అవన్నీ కొంచెము వేరే చేసి అందరు ఒకటి అన్నట్లు అందరిని యూనిట్ చేశాడనమాట. యూఆర్ జస్ట్ ట్రై టు మేక్ ద యూనిటీ ఆఫ్ హిందూ ముస్లిమ్స్ ఇన్ ద సొసైటీ. No one is more and no one is less, all are equal. Like this used to say. Okay, now let us learn one of the social reformer in Muslims, that is Syed Ahmad Khan. Syed Ahmad Khan. Here, the most important socio-religious movement among the Muslims came to be known as the Aligarh movement. It was organized by Syed Ahmad Khan, a man described as the most outstanding figure among the Muslims. In 1862, he founded the Scientific Society to translate English books on science and other subjects into Urdu. He also started an English-Urdu journal through which he spread the ideas of social reform. Through his initiative was established the Mohammedan Oriental College, which later developed into the Aligarh Muslim University. It helped to develop a modern outlook among its students. This intellectual movement is called the Aligarh movement. So, here what he did here? Yes, Syed Ahmad Khan is one of the most important social religious movement. Means here what he did అంటే అక్కడ ఏం చేశాడు సయ్యద్ అహ్మద్ ఖాన్ అంటే ఇక్కడ అలీగ్రా మూమెంట్ని ఆర్గనైజ్ చేశాడు. ఈ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ అండ్ అలీగ్రా మూమెంట్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ అలీగ్రా మూమెంట్? అలీగ్రా మూమెంట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ యూర్. సో యూర్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఇంగ్లీష్ బుక్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. ఇక్కడ ఇంగ్లీష్ బుక్స్ అనేది ఏముంటాయి కదా, లైక్ సైన్స్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ science and all, those all they are translated into Urdu language. All the like science subject and all, those subjects they were translated into Urdu language. So after translating into Urdu language, and there they were conducting a university, and the university also was named as Aligarh Muslim University. Aligarh Muslim University, and the university also was named as Aligarh Muslim University. And in that university, the students who were taking education, especially Muslims people who were taking the education, they were learning in a Urdu language. What science subject, what or other subjects are there, they were learning in a Urdu language. In their language only they were learning. So by learning that, even they were also what you call it as learning the modern education. They were also following the modern education, but in their language. It was in their language. Means it was translated from English to Urdu. English nunchi Urdu lo translate chesevallu. And that they were learning, the Muslim peoples were learning. And what happened here? Even they were also learning the modern education. Through that also they were learning modern education. అంటే అలాగ కూడా మోడర్న్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అనేది నేర్చుకునే వాళ్ళు అనమాట. అండ్ కానీ ఆ మూమెంట్ ఏమంటారు? సో ద మూమెంట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ అలీగార్ మూమెంట్. సో ద సచ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మూమెంట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ అలీగార్ మూమెంట్.